How you doing, people? Hope you're well. My name's Duncan Walsh. Okay, what forgot today? Well, today I just wanted to talk a little bit about burpees. You either love them or hate them, but you've got to think of them as your best friend. But there is one main thing that puts a lot of people off burpees, and that is lower back issues. Now, sometimes people may get other little niggles from them. Maybe if they're putting their wrists flat down on the floor a lot, or if they get any shoulder issues. Generally not as common, and you can get niggles from any exercise or any form of training. I just wanted to address today the issue of lower back and a way of solving lower back issues with burpees specifically that I've discovered. And it works tremendously well for me, no issues whatsoever. Now, just as a quick recap, generally for me, I find that there are three types of burpee. There's a sort of a standard burpee where you go down into the floor towards a sort of plank position, you come back up and you do a jump, and then you rep those out, and they don't involve a push-up. There's then the military style burpee where you go down to the plank position, you do a push-up, and there's a whole load of different varieties of doing these, and then you stand up but there is no jump. Two of the types I like to do are the one pump burpee where there's one push-up involved per rep, and then the Navy SEALs burpees where there's 3 push-ups involved per rep, and you bring your knees towards your chest. So it's a sort of a push-up, right knee to your chest and back, push-up, left knee to your chest and back, and then a third push-up, and then you stand up. Great for your core, and considering you're using body weight, it does build your chest. And if you get good at them, they're very cardio as well. Generally, I like to do a combination of those styles. The one pump burpee, the Navy SEAL, and then normal burpees with a jump. In my circuits, in my 28-day programs, I also do heels to backside burpees, which again is a burpee without a push-up, but when you do the jump, you kick your heels to your backside. So it's a bigger, more powerful jump, and therefore more energy consuming. Bigger impact on the legs, bigger impact on your cardio. The other style of burpee is the CrossFit burpee, where they tend to go down to the floor, but they don't do a full push-up. Their knees are on the ground, but they do go to the floor and come back, and then the burpee does have a jump. So, lower back issues. Quite simple really, and the way that's worked for me, and I know other people that do burpees, it's helped them as well, is to have a significantly wider stance. If you watch any of my videos or any of the videos on my other channel, $1 Billion Syndrome, you'll see that I do all of my burpees with a wide stance. Now, I discovered this by chance really, but as I looked into it and researched it, I did discover that it does promote a more neutral spine and you get better hip engagement. It generally just feels a lot more comfortable and it prevents the hunching that can happen with burpees. At the end of the day, it's important that you do what's right for your body, but that's what's helped me and I know it's helped other people as well. Using these as a standalone training method or integrating them into a HIIT type circuit is a great way to use them. And I tend to do both. I have some standalone sessions and some where they're mixed into a circuit. So yeah, give it a go. And hopefully if that works, problem solved. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.